Mohammed Hafiz in the first round. So I thought, well, I can beat this fellow left-handed, blindfolded. He wouldn't be left-handed and blindfolded. So I lost. On to the semi-final, where he met Mr. Ravi. The other semi-final was Lopez and Onyek. Ravi and Lopez made it to the final, held on 23rd. That was last Tuesday. So, it gives me great pleasure to announce the winner, the demon table tennis player of the computer department, Mr. Ravi. It causes me immeasurable pain to part with the must wages, the prize money. Thank you, well done.
And since Hafiz beat David, I would like to present this 50 tickets to Hafiz.
Everybody had changed hands a couple.
And this is the range. We have how many elements to be stored basically? We have elements from 1 to 10 to be stored as what? What is the data type? Is it going to be a string? Is it going to be a long int? Or it is going to be an integer? So you have to specify these 3 vital information at the declaration. One is the name, the range, and the data type. Is that okay? So these 3 things are essential to declare a palindrome exercise. Okay, do you know what is a palindrome? What is a palindrome? Anybody? Anyone can tell me what's a palindrome? Okay, which means the same when spelled on either side is going to be your palindrome. I'll just write it here for your reference. P-A-L-I-N. Okay, so now my program is going to focus on how to trace whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Okay, so I'm going to give a string basically to the computer, then I'm going to find whether it is a valid palindrome or not. Anybody can guess a sentence? Okay, I'll give you the sentence. Elba. Please understand, these was the words uttered by Napoleon. Okay, he was first prisoned, from there he escaped the palindrome, then not. Okay, just listen carefully in the string, enter a string. So I'm going to accept the string. So I use a read A. That's it. So now this particular segment of the program tells you to give a value. The original value given is equal to the reversed form. Then I understand that it is a valid palindrome. So how do I reverse it? I think you have been exposed to phonics too. Means follow. You all know follow. Very good. So I'm going to use my follow for I equals length down to, which is for I equals length of A. Whatever string you enter, the length. From that length until the first character, I'm going to come up to the down stage. That is, my original form is here A. So I just have to do the comparison. So if I say if A is equal to B, what? Right line, it is not B. And of course I have to end the program with a period. Arrays at this stage, I have got a fantastic projection which will help you understand in a better way. Okay, so this is the first stage of my lecture for you to understand arrays. Failing which, what are you going to understand right now? You are going to understand the concept of just an array. Okay. So now this is going to be the program which I wanted you to understand very clearly, and it is going to be taught to you step by step, okay, so that you can easily understand the concept behind arrays. J is 1, store value 4, 2, S of 1. So now again value of J is 2 and 2 is definitely less than 3. This guy enters the 8, calculates value, okay, and 8 is being stored there. So now what happens, this is where everybody have to know the key rules. So after J is going to be 1, 2, 3, because you can see there in the group J ranges between 1 to 3. And when you see S of J, you can also see that. Can you tell me what is an array? And a single name. Okay. So I'll repeat once again. Why is it used? Yes, you're right. It can save a lot of memory space because declaring each variables at the time will occupy more space in the memory. And if you want to declare the whole variables as a single group, then it's going to save a lot of memory, which means efficient way of doing program will be declaring arrays rather than declaring individual variables. Is that okay? Fine. Number 3 is how to declare an array. What are the things which you are required